Alright guys, so I've finished my print with the 0.9 degree stepper, and so I've got my two prints to compare. As you can see, I've got my 0.9 degree steppers installed just kind of loosely. I haven't secured any of the wires, really just wanted to test them out before I finalize the install. But anyway, I've got the two prints here, and got the old steppers out. This is one of them right here. This is the 1.8 degree stepper, and so you can kind of see the two prints here side by side. So I'll take them and hold them up. So it's pretty easy to tell which one's which. The one on the left has been printed with the 0.9 degree stepper, and the one on the right is printed with the 1.8 degree stepper. And so you can see the vertical ringing lines there. If I get it in the light just right. They're both very good prints, but the 0.9 degree steppers definitely improve the quality of the print. The vertical ringing is virtually gone. So here's the other side. You can see it pretty bad there is some ghosting, and that's basically where it rounds a corner, a sharp corner, and changes directions quickly. There is still some ghosting. This is printed with the standard profile ABS from Fusion 3, and you can kind of see when I roll this side to side the difference on the sides there. Same exact G code. The only difference is the steppers were changed out. That's the only thing changed here. You can see there is still some ghosting on both prints. There's ghosting. Looks to be exactly the same ghosting effect. And the only difference between these two prints is the ringing is gone on the one printed with the 0.9 degree. So yeah, I'd say it provides a pretty significant improvement. I can easily tell by looking at these which one was printed with what. I can even feel the ringing with my thumb. I mean, it's not a big deal, but you can feel it. Whereas this is just silky smooth. I highly recommend switching to 0.9 degree steppers. Well worth the cost. So there's one more look at them. Again, you can probably tell pretty easily which one's which. And yeah, if you think the one on the left is the one printed with the 1.8 degree stepper, you're right. The one on the right is printed with 0.9 degree. So easy to tell. And that's because the quality is much better. I'd use nothing else but the 0.9 degrees. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more mods for these printers. I'm going to keep going at it until I get the perfect string drive printer. So, alright, take care, guys.